1. Lint roller. Lint rollers might surprise you as an effective cleaning tool beyond its typical use in removing lint from clothing. This nifty gadget can also prove incredibly handy for cleaning dusty lampshades. With just a few simple rolls, you can easily pick up dust, pet hair, and other debris that accumulates on lampshades. This approach is efficient and ensures your lampshades maintain their appearance and brightness. Lint rollers are designed with adhesive sheets that effectively attract and trap particles. By rolling the adhesive sheet across the lampshade, you effortlessly lift away the dust that might be challenging to reach with traditional cleaning methods. This hack is especially convenient for individuals who want to quickly spruce up their living spaces without the hassle of disassembling and cleaning lampshades. Keep a lint roller handy in your cleaning toolkit to tackle this overlooked cleaning task with ease. 2. Dryer sheets. Did you know that dryer sheets, commonly used in the laundry room, have surprising cleaning capabilities? These sheets can be a game changer when it comes to dealing with stubborn stains on various surfaces. Beyond softening clothes, dryer sheets can work wonders on baked-on food and grime on pots and pans. Soaking a dryer sheet in warm water and placing it on a dirty dish allows the fabric softeners to break down the grime, making it easier to scrub away. This unconventional use of dryer sheets demonstrates their versatility as a cleaning tool. The fabric softeners in the sheets help to loosen and dissolve tough stains, saving you time and effort in the cleaning process. This hack is particularly useful for dishes and cookware that have experienced intense cooking or baking. So the next time you encounter a challenging cleaning task in the kitchen, reach for a dryer sheet and witness its surprising cleaning power. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and continue this video by typing "I am frugal" in the comments below. 3. Steam cleaners. Enter the world of chemical-free deep cleaning with steam cleaners, a powerful tool that can transform your cleaning routine. Steam cleaners utilize hot steam to sanitize and disinfect surfaces throughout your home. They effectively eliminate dirt, grime, and germs from floors, tiles, carpets, and upholstery. Not only do steam cleaners provide a thorough clean, but they also offer the advantage of reducing your exposure to harsh cleaning chemicals. Allergy sufferers can benefit greatly from steam cleaning as it helps eliminate dust mites and bacteria without resorting to chemical-laden products. This eco-friendly approach to cleaning is not only efficient, but also contributes to a healthier living environment. By harnessing the power of steam, you can tackle various surfaces with ease, knowing that you're achieving deep cleanliness without compromising on your well-being or the environment. 4. Toothpaste. Toothpaste isn't just for maintaining your dental hygiene. It can also be an unexpected ally in your cleaning endeavors. This common household item possesses polishing properties that make it a surprisingly effective fixture cleaner. Whether it's faucets, chrome accents, or even jewelry, toothpaste can help restore lost luster and shine. Using a small amount of non-gel toothpaste, gently scrubbing fixtures with a soft cloth can yield impressive results. The mild abrasiveness of toothpaste helps remove tarnish, stains, and oxidation from various surfaces. This cleaning hack is especially useful for bringing back the sparkle to metal or chrome elements that have dulled over time. So the next time you notice your fixtures losing their shine, reach for toothpaste and witness its remarkable ability to rejuvenate your living spaces. 5. Microfiber cloths. When it comes to efficient dusting, microfiber cloths are an indispensable tool that can transform your cleaning routine. These cloths are designed with electrostatic properties that attract and trap dust and allergens effectively. Whether you're wiping down surfaces, cleaning delicate items, or tackling electronics, microfiber cloths excel in capturing particles without spreading them around. Using a damp microfiber cloth for wiping surfaces or a dry one for dusting delicate items can significantly improve your cleaning process. The best part is that microfiber cloths are washable and reusable, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. By incorporating these cloths into your cleaning arsenal, you'll notice a visible difference in the cleanliness and allergen reduction of your living spaces. 6. Regular organization. One of the most powerful and often underestimated cleaning hacks revolves around regular organization and decluttering. Keeping your living spaces organized prevents messes from accumulating in the first place, making cleaning a more manageable task. Investing in storage solutions like baskets, shelves, and organizers can make a significant difference in maintaining a tidy environment. By making decluttering a habit, you'll save yourself time and effort in the long run. A clutter-free space not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also contributes to a sense of tranquility and well-being. Regularly going through your belongings and finding designated places for them can prevent items from piling up and becoming overwhelming. Embrace the power of organization and enjoy a more peaceful and pleasant living space. Congratulations, you've completed half of the cleaning hacks that will save you money. The next half is packed with more valuable and exciting content. So let's dive into the rest of the video together, and please hit the like button if you found the video helpful. 7. Baking soda. Discover the non-toxic scrubbing power of baking soda, a household staple that can tackle stubborn stains without causing damage to surfaces. Baking soda's gentle abrasiveness makes it an effective cleaning agent for various tasks. Sprinkle it on a damp sponge or cloth to clean kitchen appliances, stainless steel surfaces, and bathroom tiles. In addition to scrubbing, baking soda also serves as a natural deodorizer. For refreshing carpets, upholstery, or even your mattress, simply sprinkle baking soda, let it sit for a few hours, and then vacuum it up. This cleaning hack showcases the versatility of baking soda as a cleaning and odor-absorbing solution. With its affordability and wide range of applications, baking soda is a must-have in any cleaning arsenal. 8. Vinegar. Vinegar, often found in kitchens, is a versatile all-purpose cleaner that can effectively tackle various cleaning tasks around the house. Thanks to its acidic properties, vinegar is excellent for removing grease stains and mineral deposits. Mixing equal parts of white vinegar and water creates a multi-purpose cleaner for surfaces like countertops, windows, and mirrors. When faced with stubborn soap scum and hard water stains in the bathroom, vinegar comes to the rescue. Simply heat up vinegar, spray it on the affected area, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe away the grime with ease. The natural cleaning power of vinegar eliminates the need for harsh chemicals and offers an eco-friendly alternative for achieving a spotless and tidy home. 9. Lemon. Lemons are not only delightful in recipes, but also serve as an unexpected cleaning powerhouse. Their natural citric acid makes them effective in stain removal and deodorizing. Half a lemon can work wonders on cutting boards, faucets, and sinks, helping to remove stains and hard watermarks. Citric acid in lemons works as a natural degreaser and can dissolve grime effectively. Even lemon peels have a purpose. They can be used to freshen up your garbage disposal. By dropping a few lemon peels into the disposal and running cold water, you can eliminate odors and keep it smelling clean. Incorporating lemons into your cleaning routine adds a refreshing touch and harnesses the natural cleaning properties of citrus. 10. Newspaper. Achieving streak-free windows can be a challenge, but a simple household item can make all the difference. Newspaper. Instead of using paper towels, opt for newspaper to achieve gleaming windows without streaks. The texture and ink composition of newspaper help to remove dirt and grime effectively. Start by spraying your glass cleaner on the window and then crumple up a sheet of newspaper. Wipe the window with the crumpled newspaper and you'll notice the difference in clarity. This budget-friendly and eco-conscious hack showcases the effectiveness of everyday items in achieving professional-looking results. Embrace the power of newspaper and elevate your window cleaning game to a whole new level. There you have it, a collection of 10 mind-blowing and surprising cleaning hacks that can revolutionize the way you maintain your living spaces. If you found these tips valuable and want to stay updated with more practical insights, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with others who could benefit from these innovative hacks. And remember, subscribing to our channel and ringing the notification bell will ensure that you never miss out on any of our upcoming content.